Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut PC Pro in any region. So CapCut PC, I noticed that there are not that it's not available in any region. For example, in Finland, they cannot get the CapCut PC, the CapCut on PC, CapCut Pro on PC. So this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just get it on your mobile. So you can open your App Store or Play Store and download the CapCut app first, and then here you need to join the CapCut Pro by clicking on the Pro button at the top of the home screen, and you can choose the plan that you want for CapCut. Now you can purchase it on your mobile. Click on purchase and you can just proceed with the payment. You can click on buy in here, and after you finish with the payment, you need to go to your computer, open your computer, download the CapCut PC apps, and then this is what important, you need to sign in with the same email account. So after you sign in with the email account with the mobile versions that you use, the mobile version of CapCut, so you'll get the CapCut PC Pro that you want on your computer, and you can also use it for multiple devices. So if you get more than one computer, you can use it also. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.